Hey guys, it's Spideybolt here. I hope you're ready for another electrifying season of the Tampa Bay Lightning. I'm super pumped and I'm glad to see a lot of people. What are you doing?
Trying to find a Pikachu.
Pikachu?
Yeah, Pikachu. Play Pokemon. I've been trying to track this thing.
Retake. Hey guys, it's Spideybolt here. I hope you're ready for another electrifying season. It's gonna be good.
It is.
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end now. People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a one-boy cuddly toy, my up, my down, my pride and joy. People, let me tell you about him. It's so much fun, whether we're walking man to man or whether we're walking sun to sun, 'cause he's my best friend. Yeah, he's my best